Hearing a rapid clicking or buzzing from your Gen 3 Prius when you're stopped? A pump noise that cycles every 20 or 30 seconds? Before you book a repair, let's figure out if that's the brake actuator and if Toyota will fix it for you. Yes, that sound points to a failing brake actuator. It's a known problem, and Toyota may cover the repair under a specific support program. That clicking is your brake booster pump working overtime. It's located under the hood, on the driver's side. The system is designed to build and hold between 2,400 and 2,900 psi of hydraulic pressure, so your brakes respond instantly. When the internal seals in the actuator assembly wear out, that pressure bleeds off. The pump has to run again and again every 15 to 30 seconds just to keep the system ready. This is why some people first suspect a weak 12-volt battery. They hear a pump running constantly. But it's not an electrical issue. It's a mechanical leak deep inside the assembly, which is also why bleeding the brakes won't fix the pressure loss. Your first step isn't touching a tool, it's finding your VIN. Look for the 17-digit number on the metal plate, on your dashboard, visible through the windshield, or on the sticker in the driver's door jamb. Go to Toyota's official website and find their Look Up Safety Recalls and Service Campaigns page. Entering your VN there is the fastest way to know for sure. The system will tell you instantly if your car is eligible for the Customer Support Program code. ZJB. This step is critical because it determines whether this is a warranty repair or an out-of-pocket expense. If your VIN is covered, the next step is to book an appointment with a Toyota dealership. When you talk to the service advisor, be specific. Tell them you hear the brake pump cycling frequently and suspect a failing actuator covered by the ZJB program. For them to approve the repair, they need to confirm the problem. This means they'll listen for that pump cycling every 15 to 30 seconds while the car is on and in park. They will also plug in a diagnostic scanner. The key piece of evidence they're looking for is a trouble code. In the ABS module, C1391, this code specifically means there's an abnormal leak in the accumulator. That sound, combined with that code, is the proof they need to start the repair under the program. But what if the website says your VIN isn't covered? The sound still means the same thing. The actuator is failing. And the safety risk is real. Don't ignore it. The clicking will become more frequent, and soon you'll see a combination of warning lights on your dash. The main brake warning, ABS, and traction control. Your brake pedal will start to feel soft or spongy, requiring more travel to stop the car. Eventually, you will lose the power assist function entirely, making the brakes very hard to press. The repair isn't optional. You'll need to replace the entire brake booster pump assembly. The good news is, by knowing exactly what's wrong, you can call an independent shop, tell them the specific part you need, and get a clear quote without paying for hours of diagnostic time. Whether it's a warranty job or not, that constant clicking from the brake actuator on a Gen 3 Prius is a clear signal that it needs to be replaced. That C1391 code confirms an internal pressure loss that will only get worse. Before you spend any money, check your VIN. It could save you the entire cost of the repair.